Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to reset Google Chrome to default theme. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now what you have to do is access the settings. For that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for settings and click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be into the settings interface of Google Chrome. At left you'll be able to find several options like You and Google, autofill and passwords, privacy and security, performance, appearance, etc. Simply click on the appearance option that you can see at fifth. Now you'll be into the appearance settings. You'll be able to access the settings options related with appearance over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for theme. If you click on it, you'll be able to change the theme color. But if you want to reset it to default, what you have to do is simply click on this option, reset to default. Now after that, you can see over here the theme of Google Chrome will be reset to default. So that is how you reset Google Chrome to default theme. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.